What is up, everyone? Here she is. I gave the boat some love. About a week ago, after my last trip, or my last video here, I decided that this is fun. Paddling is fun, but we could do better than that. And we did. So what I did was, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna review my trolling motor. So here we are. This is a Minn Kota 65. It has a few different settings there with the correct battery, which is in the box. Battery has a charge right now. And yes, it works really nicely. So I also added this mount to work with it here. Added some rod holders, a holder for my fly rod or my paddle. A battery box that is, in fact, mounted in and fastened in really nicely. It's not going nowhere. I also do plan on putting a light on the front of my boat, which is going to require another battery to fit in here that I'm going to get. And I'll be running all my wires up to the front for my running lights. But over here, we have my winch setup / anchor setup. This was all pre-thought out. This is exactly how I wanted it to come out. So and yeah, it does go nicely. Really nicely. Pretty quickly too. And if I want to bring my weight closer to my boat, or during my anchor period, what's going to happen is if I don't use this while anchoring, this is going to obviously get pulled back and probably end up like that, which is what we're not looking for. So to counter that measure, I went as far as to go like this. I'm going to pull myself a little here, just a little, right? And I'm going to bring it around like so, put it like that. I can also click that back up. That's not going anywhere. It's not going to rub. Down to the measuring. I went with a strip of some of this here underneath all of my bracketing. So plastic to metal contact, we have some of this. My self-tapping screws, even the threads have this, and even around the heads have it. All the way around for extra strength. And I got a chair that allows me to sit just ever so slightly taller and more straight. All while still having leg room. Still got lots of room to grow here. But this is how I currently have the fishing rig, and the next things I am going to be doing is I am going to be finding out if I have to do boater safety, which I think I do, and I have to register my boat after I get some lights on it because I can't register it without proper lighting. Other than that, she's basically ready to go. I mean, this has been a long time coming. In this past week and a half that I've been grinding for this, making it possible, all self-bought and traded for. So I bought my boat, bought the supplies to make my cross and my rod holders. This was gifted to me by my neighbor. Bought my paddle, bought my motor, gifted to me by my neighbor. Gifted to me. Bought it. All mine. And that is one killer unit that will certainly get out there and get where those bigger bass boats can't get. I'm almost down to try it. Guys, if anybody ever tells you you can't in life, don't listen to it. If anybody ever tries to slow you down in life, don't let them. If anybody ever tries to be negative around you, walk away. You don't have to put up with it. You get something on your brain, you stick with it. And that can be the outcome. In just a week. This is my biggest achievement, I would say, in quite some time. I'm very proud of it. Very proud of how it came out. I'm very thankful for everyone that helped out. You can straight up comment down below if you put any effort in this. Hunter, my neighbor Rick, thank you. Everyone, thank you all. Thank you for making this happen, for booting me up and telling me I can. I don't know what I would do without what I'm doing right now. Without further ado, guys, I'm going to end it there. But thank you so very much for watching. So very much for checking it out. Please leave a comment what you think. Anything is appreciated. Thank you all for watching, and peace.